we're going a bit further now, because piracy didn't become at sea. It just started at sea. And it is also a problem which is hurting the sea. It's no use imposing anything on people. People have to be informed. People have to be, it's a democratic process. Because of our vulnerabilities. You have the tsunamis, which is also a vulnerability. But of course, as was mentioned here, you have also the option of fish that you can grow. You can grow fish and then use that for your local population. Although more than 5 million people live on fish food today, we waited for the climate change. We are seeing the acidification of is going to affect your life. It's going to affect our planet. It's going to affect the fish that you need to live on, to fish, to eat, which is now in a fund. So if there is a problem in Europe or other countries where we get our tourists is affected, it's going to affect us. Can I say something on that as the last part? We need to have a dialogue with the ocean. We need to see with the ocean, discuss and see what you can take from the ocean to be able to sustain yourself and live, and what you have to leave with the ocean for the ocean to be able to continue to generate life for our planet. It's a dialogue. You know, in our islands, we seem to be able to talk to the ocean, to dialogue with the ocean, and we seem to be together and understand one another. Stop it.